I'm gonna show you how to make a little homemade pepper vodka. We're gonna take a little bit of this out, the serrano pepper, jalapeno pepper, green, jalapeno pepper, red. Because we wanna then stuff it inside of the bottle. And then the other thing is a couple of cloves of garlic, okay? This one actually has been 2 weeks, okay? You can already see, can you see the color difference here? So what do you do with it? I think we should have a martini. I'm gonna put some ice in here. Vermouth. About that much does it for me. I want the vodka. The heck with that. Now we're shaking. Here's how I like mine. A couple of ice cubes like this. How about a little jalapeno ring? How about a little Juliana jalapeno? There you have it, homemade pot pepper vodka, all right?